There's another universe. Please make some noise. Give me
Oh no, what happened? It says the snowstorm is coming in a couple minutes. A couple minutes? A couple minutes?
Well, didn't we get ready?
Oh yeah, but the lights are gonna go out.
Oh no! The lights are out. I cannot see a single thing.
Well, this is not how we expected it to be.
I don't like the sound of this. I thought it's gonna be fun. I thought snowstorms are playing outside in the snow, not staying inside and being in the dark.
Well, kids, at least I have my phone in my hand. I'm gonna turn on the flashlight, okay?
Okay.
And I cannot find Ocean's bottle. Oh no.
What are we going to do now? Are you just gonna sit in the dark while the snowstorm goes away?
I think so.
No, I don't want that.
It's so dark. This is worse than the thunderstorm.
Yeah.
I think Ocean likes it.
I don't. I cannot see a single thing. Whoa.
Oliver, I don't think you should be walking in the dark. You're gonna be falling everywhere.
Okay. Ocean, what are you saying?
The lights are back on. And it said it's safe to go outside. Who wants to play in the snow?
Me.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Please. Yeah, please.
Even Ocean wants to play. Okay, fine.